Good job, Nina. Shuffle those feet. Keep shuffling.
Keep one foot, right? Keep
Yeah.
one foot at all times.
Did you bring it under? Good job, Nina. Doing good. There you go, lady. Just like that. There you go, lady. You got it. Yo! Yeah! Later, what? See how I go under? Like this? Like that? I'm basically sitting down. Good job, Nina. I see you, Ali.
Get me off of this one.
That thing is scary. Wait till you do this one, Lord Jesus.
You got it, lady. This one's faster. This one's faster. Lacey, you got it. Come on. There you go. There you go. You got it. All right.
Jesus.
Untouch one.
Lord have mercy.
Bring it under and get under.
Oh, we're holding for this.
All right. Go ahead, lady. Doing good, Reem. You all right, Linda?
Walk.
You don't need to know they're a married couple.
Hey, look, you did it your way, and look, I'm right behind you.
I must say, y'all are good, because I thought I was going to die at one point.
Good job, lady. Suki, where you at, baby? Good job, lady.
Yes, that helps a lot.
All right, lady, if you look straight ahead, left is to beginners. The challenge, of course, to the right. Mike, I'm right behind you. Wait for me. I'll kick it. I did not. No. I did it properly. No, I did it properly. Good job, lady. She's right behind me. Nina, you can go. All right, lady, I'm leaving you in a minute. Stephanie, why don't you do the advance one? Good. After a while, you get in the rhythm. You're not even thinking about it no more. All right, go down. There we go. Mike, hold up. Hold up, I'm coming. Asshole. All right, later. I see you on the other side. Where Ratana? Did Ratana go to beginners? Yeah. Pansy? Good job, Nina. Yo, I saw you, man. Like, dang. Hey, Ali, you coming over here? How in the world you do that, Mike? Ali, you coming over here? Oh, I got you. How's that? Oh, okay.
Reem, you doing the hard?
This how you do it, Mike. Oh, got tangled up. There we go. Oh, you couldn't wait, you pansy?
People, buddy.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut your mouth.
Why did you get there so fast?
Because the advanced one takes you faster. You good? Ratana, I'm gonna catch you.
Yeah.
Actually, you can. No, I'm not. Oh, what was that?
Suck at breaking.
You okay?
Oh.
You okay? Was that your hip again?
You gotta press down a little harder.
Harder?
Yeah.
Thank you, because I suck at breaking.
Can I go now?
The
Yes, you
harder
can.
press down, the more you're gonna break.
Feet up, feet up. Good job, Zoofari.
Okay. Yeah, could you not have both your hooks off at the same time?
What? What'd you say? What'd you
You
say?
heard me.
What'd you say?
Taj needs his father. Do it for him, not for your ego.
Man, hold up now. Hold up now.
Exactly.
Yo, man. Yeah, I did it. You swing like Tarzan, right? That's the one I got tangled up.
Is Ratana all right?
He's getting tired. What's the workout of the day?
Where's Mike?
Mike's in front of him. He's about to do something. Yeah, I like that one. My rope got tangled up on that.
Yeah. I did it without the board.
He forgot to pull the
I
board.
had to see the board to the end.
Duh.
All right, you gotta move. Two people coming in.
Okay, I'm coming.
You taking a long time.
Oh, man. Woo! You going or what, dude?
I really don't even have to hold the rope. Oh man, I should I'm gonna sit on the knob. Yes, I said it. I'm sitting on the knob.
Why is that log swinging in front of the zipline? Really? Could you be a little easy?
I didn't do that.
You're slowing up progress, but I'm not trying to hit it.
Rotana did it.
Huh?
Rotana did it.
Yeah, I'm not running into that.
Yeah.
You're also busy trying to
Go pull it while you're at it. I think you'll be fine now. Hold on.
Huh?
I think you'll be fine Sorry.
Okay. It was wildly swinging at first.
It was.
Okay, here's where I stop.
Hold on, one more slack.
Alright, I'll let go. Sorry. I don't want Thomas to push me off. So I'm trying to,
No games, dude.
I pushed the way up there.
that's why I was hurrying.
You got it. Dude, we're not even done. We're not even hit 50% yet. We're not even halfway done.
It's gonna hold her legs. It's gonna hold her legs.
It's fun though.
Come on, Nina, you got it. Okay.
Did your mom go?
I like wrap my leg.
No, you don't need. Put
okay?
put your feet on both your on that knot. There you go.
Okay.
All right. What do you say?
Good job, Zoofari. Oh, no hands.
Hey, how many on the platform here? Wait,
Okay.
check on your sister.
Oh, you didn't get it yet? No, I'm waiting. Let's grab the rope. I thought Rotana had it. Good job, Eileen. Where you at, Nina? I see you. You good, lady? Don't worry. Don't worry. When I get over there, I'll push you off the tower.
Stop distracting people.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, Tom. Shut up, Tom.
A lot of shit talking over there, dude. I swear for Lord, when I get over there.
Y'all have like the world language on this
You,
video that your grandma's over.
oh Lord Jesus. That was
Why she waiting for me to go down?
I'm gonna stay right here. What are you talking about? I am listening. I haven't even touched the platform.
He's gonna take a nap.
Hey, Ali, that's a hard one right there. I ain't gonna lie.
You can get on the platform now. Mike just went.
Thank you.
How much time you get so far?
The hard way messed you up there? Oh, is that what it is?
I need
Sonny's in the lead.
That don't mean nothing.
I'm just saying, Sonny's leading the way. Did Lady go?
She's right.
She hasn't gone yet.
Yeah. Dude, I'm telling you.
Come on, Lady, you can do it!
Yeah. Dude.
You
All right.
can do it, Lady!
All right. Orange. Hands on both orange. I'm serious. Hands on both orange. Shuffling with your feet.
You didn't?
Lateral the whole time.
You can. It's super shaky. Y'all aren't gentle at all. I said, you doing good?
I'm holding on.
I can see your mom.
Is she going?
Not yet. What'd you say, Suki? Tell her once, just trust her.
Once it goes,
Once you go, she's good.
You got it, lady. Shit, she's over there.
She should have gone yet.
She's scared.
She's doing the same thing I did. It's takeoff anxiety. It's nerve-wracking. I know it is. I still have it every time I go.
Come on, lady, you got it.
Once you go, trust.
You're not gonna fall, lady. Come on, lady.
She can do it.
Yeah! Good job! Good job, lady!
Good lady!
Is she good, Suki? I'll leave you. Your last one, man. Last one. Your arm should be burning. Yeah. I was like the orange. I was moving faster. I want to get over it.
Careful, Nina. You got to keep the thing in the middle.
Wait, it's in the middle.
No, I was just saying because